Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make a salad, the name of which is tabbouleh. For that we need 2 cups of bulgur, some green onions, dills, parsley, 1 cucumber, and tomato sauce. For this salad, the main thing you will have to do is cutting down all of the greens. So let's start with the green onions. We should say that for this salad, the amount of greens mainly depends on your preference. If you really want it to be the salad to be full with different kind of dills and parsley and onions, you can put more. If you are not that much of a lover of those, then you can add a little. So go on and cut down the parsley, the dills. Whenever finished, we'll go on and cut down also the cucumber, like as you see in the video. And while you're cutting down the cucumber, we should mention that for the bulgur we needed 2 cups, and we need it to be watered beforehand with a warm water, and it can be watered 30 minutes before you are going to mix all of the ingredients together. So whenever ready, mix the green onion with the bulgur. Add also all of the other ingredients that you just cut it down, that is to say the dills, the parsley, and of course the cucumber. And whenever finished, we are going to add the 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and of course tomato sauce. For the salt, you can also add a little bit if you feel like you need it, and also 1 teaspoon of lemon salt. Also add olive oil and start mixing the salad. Mix it properly, and whenever ready, you can put it into a plate, and you can also design it with some dills, why not? And then this amazing tabbouleh salad will be ready to be served. Good appetite!